What's up, y'all? So to get started with this project, the first step I'll be doing is making sure we're working on a clean surface. To do this, we'll be using Rejuvenator Advanced Sneaker Solution.
Yeah, we stay up all night, then we sleep all day. I get money like all of the time, I should put it all up in a safe. I hop in the verse, put in the key then reverse. Know what you're worth, you spend it all by the first. What you heard? I'm making hits till I'm hurt. Good, I go to sleep by the perk. Yeah, we stay up all night, cause we sleep all day. That's why we up all night, we don't sleep always. So we stay up all night.
I'm moving on to icing the soles using God of Soles Reviver. Start off by applying one light coat and then wrapping them in plastic wrap. After this first session, you can see the soles are looking icy. So now I can start removing all the factory adhesive that got us here in the first place. First, take your acetone and apply it to the cotton round, then apply heat and rub away.
I've been getting too much cash, so I had to switch locations. I've been smoking gas for days, got me looking Asian. Told my mama I got her, she just gotta stay patient. Grinding hard for this shit, man, I'm so close I can taste it. Shawty in my line, tryna waste my time. No, she can't waste my time, I'm trying to get behind. Okay.
So let's take a quick break from this video. For the past couple months or so, I've been sharing a lot of my customs and restorations, hybrid swaps, everything I'm doing on my SNUPPS account. And as I've been doing that, people have also been sharing their sneakers with me. All their extremely beat up shoes from the past years they've sent to me, and I've seen all of them, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and actually go through more of those, and I'm gonna let you guys choose who is the winner of this restoration. Because I'm gonna choose one person, one lucky person out of this huge pile of people to win a free restoration on this channel. Video, everything, you know how it goes. You got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the hashtag Let's Get Into It, because that's where I ask people to share their items with me, or they also shared it on my restorations and customs group. So right here I see a couple of shoes. I think I might have seen some of these. I've never seen those candy canes. Those look cool, but they're not that beat. They're not that beat. You know what I'm saying? So see, I see some OGs. Let me know about these Air Maxes, y'all. Let me know, because I've been talking to the dude, but I don't know if I should do them. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see right here, we have a pair of yellow Space Jams, Wheat 13s, Cool Grade 4s, just the uppers, some 14s. I also see these 7s right here. Well, there's only one picture. But I see these 7s right here. I think these look great. I think these would be an amazing restoration, actually. I'm gonna let you guys choose who y'all want to see on this channel. So yeah, let's keep looking. Let's see if we find anything else. So those are all the shoes that I'm gonna check out for today. If you want to send in your own submission, go ahead and use my hashtag Let's Get Into It, or you can also share them on my restorations and customs group, which is linked down below in the description. The last step we have to do is begin gluing the slides together. Apply a light coat to each surface and then let them cure for 2 hours. I'm back 2 hours later and we're ready to move on to the second coat. I'll be repeating the same steps as before and then clamping them together.